Oh, sorry we are having some technical difficulties here in this precious night. So, get ready for the next convention at the Las Vegas Convention Center in a few days. And in other news, the wall of the United States of America stands with pride. On certain jobs, the Democrats need their ass kicked, and certain jobs of America, we will not put our chin down, and we will raise our flag with pride. If you don't speak English, get the hell out. And side news, we're going to go ahead and give you today another report that Mike D'Alvarado has broken another record on an invention with Maria Zneta Rodriguez, a beautiful, hard-working woman for the state of Nevada for the last 50 years. He has given her the DJ turntable, built-in speaker, bulletproof glass, nightclub refrigerator with internal LED lighting of color choice. This thing has the best of the market business. It's a hit for 2020. And besides that, it comes with also on his other undisputed world record breaking thank God. It comes with an incredible stainless iron dust copper Teflon coffee table with an internal heating supply and adjustable turn knobs. For outdoor use, it comes with the side panels of solar paneling technology.